So today we're going to have a look at a dash cam, but something with a little bit of a twist, because we've got Jack here.
Hello.
You remember Jack with the Raptor? We're going to fit this Viofo, what is it called, a119 to his truck, because I've already got one, and Jack was going to buy one. So now he has it. Now he doesn't have to do, but he doesn't have to buy one. So I've already got a dash cam, and what we thought would be interesting for this, an interesting experiment, we're going to fit this together. Jack's going to drive it around for a couple of weeks, then we're going to come back and see the results and compare it to the image quality of mine, daytime driving, nighttime driving and stuff like this, and see, just like Top Trumps. Remember Top Trumps? It's still going. I didn't realise. I looked for Top Trumps today. We can have Dashcam Top Trumps.
Perfect.
Excellent, isn't it? The things you can do here. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. Yeah, there you go. So the box is great.
Yeah, nice box.
I was impressed. Look at the finish on there. So take it out of the box and feel that lid when it goes.
It's like an iPhone.
Exactly.
Yeah, very nice.
So it says here it's got Quad HD 1440p on this thing. Sony Starviz 2 sensor. This is far superior than Sony Starviz 1. Super night vision. Now, if it's anything like mine, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
It really is good. Built-in Wi-Fi. There you go. That's it. That's how big it is. GPS logger, parking mode, voice control, and Bluetooth remote option. Now, they were kind of nice to send us the full Monty. They sent us everything. Now, usually this is all extra, but they sent me everything. Now, all I can say is I had one of these, and when I talked to the company before, I had the old model, it was about 6-7 years ago, and it was a great big thing, and I didn't really like it, so I sent it back. And they said, oh no, this is better, we'll try it. Because, where's the lens? There's the lens, adjustable, big sticky pad. The other one didn't have a very big sticky pad at all, it kept coming out. So that's the camera. What else have we got? Well, we haven't finished, because below in this box, there is a box of secrets. A box of secrets. Now this is what we like to see. Now this is a good idea. This sticks onto your windscreen, so it doesn't fog off, and they've given you two, just in case you make a mess of it.
Yeah, I think you stick that one to the windshield and that sticks to that, right? So it gets a better stick.
Because it says here, please peel off this mask before application. And then it says, please peel off this mask after application. So we must remember which way that goes around. But we've got two of them, so we can make a complete horlicks of it. Warranty, product thing, professional customer service.
Now they've got a WhatsApp line, look at that.
Yeah, I don't know about WhatsApp. And look at this, this is worth its weight in gold. Ooh, protected dash cam. I didn't get one of them with mine.
You can have that.
Mine was inferior.
You can have it.
Well, I haven't got a
You have the
Viofo.
sticker, go on.
We've got a little sticky thing to pull the headlining down, to push the wire down. We've got a spare sticky, that's good. We've got a Bluetooth charger here, because that's a rechargeable unit. And we've got the cable in here. Let's get rid of this. So there's your long cable, goes all the way down and into your car. But we've also got the little thing that goes into your cigarette lighter. But, yeah, so it's got two parts in it. That's nice, isn't it? That's good. Yeah. That's good. Now, let's have a look in this here, because this is a hardware kit. It comes with it. Well, it doesn't come with it, it's an optional extra. And I didn't open this, so this is the first time I've seen it. But I think this is for hardwiring it in, so it's on 24/7.
To your battery?
To your battery, or whatever you can
That would be nice.
put it to. Oh, look at the cables on that. Ooh, what the hell is this here? Oh, you can change the voltage on it, look.
Why would you want to do that?
Well, you can change it up to, I don't know, 24 volt. You can do 24 volt. 12 2, 24 4, 12 4, 24 8. So I think it's important we select what our voltage is going to be, because these are for trucks as well, eh?
Yeah, I guess
You can put it into a truck. What's the wiring look like? Is there a manual? Is there an instruction book with it? Oh yeah, there's a hardware kit. Now that's the the little lens thing. That's it. Show the viewer. They might be interested.
If it focus, circular polarizing lens filter,
Alright.
which is further reduce reflections from the windshield, get more saturated and beautiful video.
Nice.
Ooh.
So one of these wires goes to battery positive.
Yeah.
One of these goes to accessory, and the black one goes to ground. That's very, very easy.
Ooh, that's nice.
Now what you're supposed to do is take this little... Don't forget to take the lens cover off. Otherwise you'll have a very blurry image. Now that's an interesting little device here. This is supposed to be a Bluetooth remote control. So if you want to press it and take an instant picture or something, you can do it. It's got a lot more bits there. So you can put that on, stick that onto your... Oh, where are you? You're there, aren't you? So you can stick this on your dashboard, and if you want to just do a quick picture or something, off you go. We'll test this. We'll test all this lot out. Obviously, we're going to put it in the truck now. Oh, and it also comes with one of their 64 megabyte. Oh, gigabyte.
Yeah.
I was going to say megabyte. My first computer was a 286, and it had a 64 megabyte hard drive. And people said, "Oh, you'll never fill that up." 64 megabyte. You couldn't get one picture on 64
about 10
megabytes.
seconds of film.
So what have we got at the back? Well, at the back of this, we've got a little panel here. We'll see this. It's got a sort of an emergency little thing here. I really have no idea. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. That's where we plug our USB-C into.
Yeah.
And it's also got power there.
This is for the GPS module, I think, that power.
Is it?
Online. Yeah, so you can see where it is all the time. So you can have
Why has it got USB?
Double power. One does the dash cam, one does the GPS.
Interesting. We'll have to read the instructions a bit clearer. Well, I'll tell you what, let's read the instructions and then we'll come back and we'll start to put it in. So this is Jack's Raptor. As you can see, it's a little bit big for my shop. Wasn't designed for this. So we've just managed to get it in to get the doors open. So we're going to fit it. What we're going to do is we're going to wire it up first to the cigarette lighter and see if this unit is like mine and it switches off after about 3 minutes. The screen goes blank, so it's not a distraction, and then we can decide where on the screen we're going to actually fit it. Because like I said, I think that's the idea of having a remote button to record, I think, or switch on and off. It's up to you, Jack. I don't know. Well, I've got the cigarette lighter adapter. Let's plug it in and fire it up. So this car's got a 12 volt outlet here, and when we plugged it in, it's a permanent live, and it's on, but the screen isn't on.
It turns off, doesn't it? After
it turns off. There you go. So it's on again. So I think that because you haven't got your keys switched on, have you?
No, keys off.
So I think plug it into this one.
Yeah.
Take this one over here, plug that into there, oh, it's still on.
What if I do it on this one?
Oh, have you got another one?
I've got a USB here.
Oh.
Very high tech, this Ford. They're very thinking.
Recording started.
Very high tech. Look at that.
Now that's off.
Yes, that's
now
off.
Turn your key on. That's on.
Yeah, there we go.
Now that's on. So it's up to you which way you want to do it. Right, here we go. So what we've done is we've used a bit of brake cleaner for what good it is. Cleaned off this patch here where we're going to put this sticky screen. And just repeat for the viewer what we're doing.
So we're peeling off the red side here, or the red sticker side, and apparently that makes it stick better in all temperatures, conditions, sunlight, etc. So we're going to try it. Yeah.
Well, let's try it, because we've got to, haven't we? I'll just stick mine straight on the screen. I didn't read that bit. Right, so like I say, we've cleaned it with the microfiber as well, and
stick it there, shall we?
Oh, look at that! Did you see it?
Yes. It's like
it pulled itself on, eh?
Self-sticky.
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
Get the bubbles out.
Yeah, I put one of them on my camera screen, and it got all the bubbles out on its own.
Yeah,
Well, it doesn't matter about bubbles really, does it?
No, I think they'll come out on their own eventually.
So now we need to take off the sticky pad off there and this second one here, don't we?
Yep.
You can tell we've never done this before.
It's like Pinky and Perky, isn't it?
It is. Oh, look at that.
Right.
Now
I'm going to take that off.
that's right. Yeah, they obviously don't want it to fall off. Now, this is it. Get it square. Get it wherever you want it. Oh, stop! Take the lens cover off.
All right. We take the lens cover off.
You know, take the plasticky protection off.
Look at that.
At least one of us is ahead of the game.
Just there, I reckon.
Alrighty. It's up to you.
Bung it straight on there.
And that's not going to come off. That's it.
Look at that.
So now we need to run the wire around the top of the windscreen, down this pillar, down under here, and up to there. All in. What we need to do now is the setup. Now it says it's Bluetooth and things like this. So I think turn it on, turn your ignition on, get your phone out and see what
if I can connect to it.
see if you can connect. So we've downloaded the app.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi connected.
And we've pressed a little button on there to connect the Wi-Fi. He's got it on his smartphone.
Yeah.
Picked it up straight away, no problem. Password 12345678.
Okay. Yeah, it says I'm connected, or it's loading. Okay. Now if I try and connect my camera, searching for a camera.
Power on the camera.
Okay,
Next.
we've done that.
Connect the Wi-Fi. We've done that.
Seems to be struggling to connect.
Well,
You see, it's got the.
oh, you can't find it.
If I put it right next to it.
Yeah, we shouldn't have to do that, should you?
Oh look, now we've got a tick. That's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Now
so
it's
that's
connected.
good. So now,
Allow to connect to devices on your local network.
oh yeah, look,
there we go.
now it should show pictures of my shop. Is it? Hey,
Yeah.
look at that. Oh man, that's good, isn't it? It's a nice wide view, eh?
That's really clear.
Switch camera, so if you have another one at the back, you can switch the back
no other
one.
Yeah.
And snapshot, so it'll take your picture. There you go.
Success.
Success. Great success.
Great success.
So, what was this Bluetooth button? What was that? Is it taking a picture?
I think it's taking pictures for me.
I better shut up.
Either that or it's going to blow up.
Oh, we haven't formatted the card. Oh, we doesn't need it. Look, it's already done it, hasn't it?
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. That's brilliant, isn't it? I mean, look at that.
See how clear it is.
That's a lot easier than mine.
Yeah?
Mine was a bit of a...
And look how clear that is.
No, that's not bad, is it?
Oh, you can't zoom in. You have to download it and then zoom in. But
Yeah.
oh, it's very clear.
So that little button that's on the bench, that Bluetooth button that you're supposed to put somewhere.
Yeah, I guess when you're driving along, if you see something, you press it and it takes a picture rather than having to get your phone out.
I
and
guess
then...
so, yeah.
Oh, they've thought of a lot of different things here, haven't they?
I think it's all right. Micro SD card reader mode. So that's because it's connected to here.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's interesting.
Locked. Oh, you've got different modes too. Look, you can have it if it's taken anything when it's been locked, if it's been parked and someone's knocked it. Well, you've got the photos that you've taken. Look at
And
that.
then you can download them.
Yeah, that's it. Download it. There's mission control there. Oh god, they need access to my photo library. I won't allow that for now. Yeah, look, very nice.
Well, I'll tell you what. That was easy, wasn't it? There's no point. Like I said, we've got that Bluetooth
Recording
button.
started.
Yes, we know. Let's leave that for now. We'll come back in a couple of weeks' time and see what we think of it in the pictures in the dark.
Yeah.
You know, see what it's like in the dark. I'm pleased it switches off instead of looking at the picture all the time. You know, like my only concern is if it switches off, will it lose its settings?
I don't know. I'm just looking here on the video resolution. Default is 30 frames per second.
Right.
I can put it up to
60. Oh, that's
so I'll
good.
try 60 frames per second
Yeah.
to start, and I'll do them
Oh,
both.
look at all the settings for it, eh?
Could do everything.
I couldn't do that on mine.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Time zone.
Yeah, yeah,
You've got to set the time and date because otherwise it thinks it's in China.
yeah. Parking mode, look, it's got loads of bloody
48-hour parking mode.
I'm going to have to look through all this.
G-sensor, yeah, I think so. This is why I said to you, go and try it for a week, or 2 weeks, because it gives us plenty of time to mess about. And then, Bluetooth function, button, click that.
Okay. Action button.
Mic button, turn on, turn off microphone. Action button.
Turn on, turn off.
Well, I'll give you the button and then you can play around with it yourself, can't you?
That's good, that is.
Oh, well, what else have we got to do on a Sunday afternoon? Right, so we'll wrap this up for now. I think it's a nice little setup. Like I say, it's unobtrusive, it's up there out the way.
Yeah, I can't see it when I'm driving.
And it's got a good wide angle, eh?
Mm-hmm.
But if it's anything like mine, because mine will switch off after 3 minutes. But when you're driving in the dark, the picture here will look like this.
Okay.
It's really bright. It enhances it.